Interested in curling or straightening your Hairdo True to Life hairpiece? Then here are some things you need to know. Unlike human hair, your True to Life hairpiece curls only after it sets and cools. So curl, pin in place, and let cool. Take a 1-inch section of hair, curl, hold for 10 seconds, release into the palm of your hand, and pin the curl to let it cool. Blow dryers, curling irons, and straightening irons may be used on low settings of 300 degrees. We strongly suggest using a styling tool with a temperature control to avoid damaging the piece. Once the fiber has been straightened or curled, it will hold that texture until it's either straightened or curled again, even after washing. Please remember, you must never curl or straighten your True to Life hair while wearing the wig or hairpiece.